In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the essential areas you'll use on day one so you can find your way around with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and landing on the Get Things Done page. This is your jumping off point. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, and consider keeping this page open in a dedicated browser tab so it's easy to return to as you explore. Next, hover your mouse over the Create button. This menu is your shortcut to everyday tasks. As you hover, you'll see options for common transactions like invoices, expenses, bills, and more. Even if you're not ready to enter anything yet, take a moment to notice how these items are grouped. Knowing where to find them will save you time later. Now, click on Feed. The business feed highlights what needs your attention, such as recent activity and helpful prompts. Think of it as a running summary of what's happening in your books. Use this view to keep an eye on priorities and to get a sense of momentum without digging through multiple pages. From there, click on Reports. This is where you'll access standard reports like profit and loss and balance sheet, along with many others. Open a report to see how date ranges, filters, and display options work. Even a quick scan helps you understand how your data rolls up into the bigger financial picture. Next, click on All Apps. This section showcases integrations that can extend QuickBooks, things like time tracking, inventory, or e-commerce connections. For now, just browse. Get a feel for what's available so you know where to come when you're ready to enhance your workflow. Then, click on Accounting. Here you'll see your chart of accounts, the backbone of how transactions are categorized. Review how accounts are organized into assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. A clear chart makes your reports more accurate and easier to read. After that, click on Expenses. This area groups vendor activity, bills, and purchases. Explore the filters and list views so you can quickly spot open bills or recent spend. Understanding this page helps you stay on top of what's going out. Next, click on Sales. This is the home for invoices, customer activity, and incoming payments. Look over the tabs for invoices and estimates and note how statuses and amounts due are summarized for quick follow-up. Finally, click on Bookmarks. This is your quick access space for pages you want at your fingertips. Use it to keep your most used areas close so you can jump back without retracing your steps. That's it for your first tour. With these areas in mind, you'll be ready to navigate QuickBooks Online smoothly and focus on the work that matters.